Hey guys, this is Rob with Next Gen Rider here. Originally I was going to do a video. I had ordered a C9 Max from Aoocci and I was just going to do an unboxing. But here recently with these Chinese companies, they kind of been pissing me off a little bit. They're not just super transparent with what they're selling, what the product specs are, who they are as a company. So I thought Aoocci merited kind of a little bit of a dive, and I'm going to kind of show you where you can see where this product comes from and buy it from another source if you want to save a little bit of money. So let's dive in. Okay, so here we are on Aoocci's homepage. And I'm going to focus on their motorcycle dash cams because that's what I'm about here on this channel. And their first product that they offer is what's called the C5 Pro. So if we jump over and look at the C5 Pro, it's a 5-inch screen with cameras. Looks like they're only have stock on the full kit right now. And basically this kit is available in some variations for about $80. I ordered one from Car ABC. It is very, very, very similar. I don't know if this is the exact unit or not. I didn't do the deep dive on this one just because this is a good unit. I mean, it's very basic, not super bright. Has cameras, they work, TPMS works, CarPlay, Android Auto. I ran this thing through some hella rain here in the Philippines and it worked fine. Very good basic recorder. And CarPlay Android device, but it's about 80 bucks. And let's see, they're selling this thing for 200. Now, you know, if they're offering really good warranty and customer service, maybe that's worth it to you. But if you want to save some money, that's what I'm trying to do here, is show you that I don't believe they actually make any product whatsoever. They're just taking products out there from the Chinese manufacturing market and then reselling them. So the next one I'm going to show you guys is the C6 Pro. So now this is a 6-inch system. The Pro unit is 219 TPMS with the remote button, and I'll show you this system here you can get from Shenzhen Sunway Industries. This is the same system, same button controllers, slightly updated. They got rid of that ugly orange. $92 for the unit. Shenzhen Sunway, they're kind of hit and miss with their product. I haven't actually sampled this product, so I can't tell you personally how it performs, but they've been coming out and they kind of annoy me a little bit too. But they have a lot of new offerings. They're calling this a 4K video system. I ordered this. I'm going to be doing a review on it. It is not 4K. It's QHD. This Android system here I was kind of interested in. The processor in it is super weak. It's actually designed to go into like a smart watch. It's way underpowered. The performance is not there. Then they have a 60 frame per second high frame rate. They're coming out with blind spot monitoring. But here's the 625 DT, which is what Aoocci is selling. So this thing's about 100 bucks direct from the manufacturer. Next we'll jump over to the C9. Now this one was kind of interesting because I'd seen this unit out there for a while. It's actually manufactured as Gallup Sprite D8 Pro. And this unit used to be more prevalent, at least in the Asian markets. And now it's just really, you see it's only coming up in Taobao and China. And I think Shopee has it, Shopee Thailand. You can still get it from some suppliers. But what's interesting about the Gallup Sprite or the Aoocci C9, it is basically identical to the Nav N1 Pro. Now obviously a Nav probably spec'd a better camera, but as far as the host display, it looks virtually identical. So I ordered one of these with the Aoocci's coupon code. I think I got this thing for like 160 bucks. And from a NAV, this thing is 23,000 pesos, like 300 and almost $400. So I'll be doing a video with the unboxing and bench testing of this unit. I was just kind of curious. 6-inch display. We'll see what it's about. Now, Aoocci is now stocking another product, and they're calling this the BM5. So I'm familiar with this. I sampled this about a year ago, and I didn't have really great results. The screen leaked on me. The concept's really good. The execution just wasn't that great. And so I guess, and I'll show you. So here's the product. Right now it's out of stock, and there's a little bit of a story there. If you go through these comments, you're going to kind of see where the Wonder Wheel integration, I guess, isn't working that well right now. It requires a CAN module. Let's see if we can show you that. So down here, they kind of talk about the CAN bus and getting the Wonder Wheel to work. What I liked about this system was that they have an offering, I think set A, no, maybe set B. So here you can basically take this and have it detachable with cameras and put it on any motorcycle. Even though they're marketing this to BMW, it did work while it worked, and it just failed. And the warranty terms. So I ordered this from this company here, Azton, and they're just another reseller. So the manufacturer of this is a company called Aoocci, but they don't sell direct. They wouldn't even really reply to me. So I had to go through a reseller, and that made me once removed from the manufacturer for warranty issues, and the unit was just kind of flawed. And they have a couple of different models. They sell a kind of their base model, which is, I think this one here, the A2. And then over here, they lead you to believe that they have TPMS, and they talk about a Snapdragon processor with high performance capability. But I don't even think this product here is available yet. But this one exists, and it's kind of nice that they have the BMW style bracket that you can mount on any motorcycle. So it looks like Aoocci is trying to market that and sell that product, but I would be pretty cautious on this. I mean, if you're looking for a good Wonder Wheel product to go on a BMW, especially at this price point that they're selling this, you're better off going with the Chiggy, absolutely. So there you have it. I'll drop the links in the description. Again, I'll do a follow-up video on my unboxing on the C9 Max, because it seems like these are the only guys to get it from right now. And that could be a good unit, especially at that price point, 160 bucks. That's really not bad. If it's kind of a clone of the N1 Anav. I haven't tested the N1 Anav, but a buddy of mine has. He liked it. He said it was pretty good. So we're going to unbox it and see what we find, and do a review, unboxing, and bench test of the C9 Max. Anyway, there you have it. I'll drop links in the description, so if you want to browse around and save some money on this stuff and go direct to the Chinese manufacturers for these products, you can. And again, thanks for watching.